Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, November 24th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm getting this out a little late. I apologize. Yesterday and last night was so both exciting and a little traumatic for me that I didn't get much sleep. I was so tempted to bail out early um, in DPW, and I did not, but I had to watch it in both the aftermarket and the pre-market this morning, which starts at 1 a.m. for me. But I held my, sat on my hands, and I let the algorithm exit the trade, and I'm glad I did it that way because that's the way it has to be done. But I didn't get much sleep, so I just crashed after the markets closed today, and I'm just getting up and down, kind of a fog, and finishing my work here. Anyway, it was a great day for me, the best trading day of my life, and also interesting and ironical that it was the best day for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Also, you're looking at that right here. And for the first time ever in all of financial history, the Dow Jones Industrial Average closes above 30,000. Pretty amazing. And I have to say that it certainly does look like the bull market is fully intact, and we are making a ton of money because of it. My spreadsheet for November, this month started off really bad, and then I just was having a hard time with it. And then I think for 5 or 6 days in a row, we've had one winning day after another, with the culminated in today's win, which we closed out $271,000 in profits. My spreadsheet for November now shows that we're up $350,000 for November. Um, that actually is not a record for a monthly gain. We actually made more money back in March when the market crashed, because we were really on the short side of some great trades, and we made just a ton of money on the crash. But hey, we make it when the market goes down, we make it when it goes up. That's the best of both worlds. And man, are we having a year in 2020. Okay, so yeah, the Dow closes up over 30,000, and this is what our statistics looks like today. We had 23 positions coming in, and we closed out 22 for a total of $271,000 in closed out profits today. We got into 10 new positions, and 7 are positive, 3 are negative, and we are carrying positive $13,000 plus some change in open trade going into tomorrow. So yeah, our net haul is like $285,000 or something for today. Pretty unbelievable. The Dow officially closes up 455 points. And I have tons and tons of great trades to show you. I'm going to just show you the two best because they are both epic. Let's start with the smallest one, and that is MARA, which is Marathon Patent Group. And we actually bought this last Friday on the pop here. We held it slightly closed, slightly against us on Friday, held it over the weekend. Yesterday it explodes to the top side, and that kept us in the trade. And then this morning it pops again for our exit. Pretty unbelievable there, and we got pretty much get the top of the move there, and we are out of Marathon Patent Group with $34,600 in profits. Fantastic trade, and on any other day this would be like the fantastic trade of the week or the fantastic trade of the month. But Marathon Patent Group was eclipsed by this epic trade, and what you're looking at here looks like just another chart, but this is the biggest trade of my entire life, and I've been doing a lot of trading during my entire life. This was unbelievable. This is DPW, which is Digital Power Incorporated, or Digital Power Corporation, and we bought this. Let's see, this is Friday. We had a little pop there. I got into it, tiny profit on the close. Held this one over the weekend, just like Marathon Patent Company, Marathon Patent Group. Not thinking anything of it, and then yesterday, on Monday, this thing gaps way up on the, on the open Monday. I mean, this looked like this was right here was in the sky, but even after opening in the sky, it kept going and going like it was going to the moon. I even think I posted on Twitter that this was going to the moon, and it did go to the moon. It closed unbelievably profitable, and it even gapped up more this morning for our exit. So our exit there on this is almost perfect, and that perfect exit yielded just over $200,000 profit in this single stock. And as I said yesterday, if we did nothing but this single trade all year long, this would be a very credible performance for a whole year of trading. I mean, that's like $200,000 profit on starting with about $500,000. So that's a credible performance just on this single stock. But we've had incredible trading all year. So yeah, I will do the statistics. I will do the statistics in a couple days for the monthly report. But you can imagine, I mean, we were up like over 300% at the start of November, and this thing combined with those other trades has put us up over $350,000 in profits for November alone. That's on top of where we were when we came into November. Unbelievable, just unbelievable. I can't believe it, but here you're looking at my biggest single trade of my entire trading career right here and Digital Power Corporation, and netting total just over $200,000 in a single stock trade that lasted less than 3 days. Okay. I can't say any more, folks. I will say something more. I will say something more. I've said this over and over again. We get 70% of our profits out of 5% of our trades. And, you know, when you look at this thing, it's like we're getting 2/3 of our profits out of maybe 1% of our trades. I mean, as I say, you got to follow the system. I don't know how many of my customers actually made this trade. I fear there were a lot of them, who try to pick and choose, or they just trade some days and don't trade in others. And I can guarantee those people did not get this trade. And when they didn't get this trade, they basically missed the train for all year long. So my system is fantastic. It's better than anything. Absolutely better than anything. But for it to be better than anything, you have to take all the trades, and you have to take all the trades every day and be very disciplined. And if you do that, you're going to get this kind of thing. This isn't the first time it happened this year. It happened with one other trade. And if you just got those 2 trades all year long, you would better than double your account for the entire trading year. Anyway, that's my speech. Trade the system, stick with the system, be disciplined. That is how you make money. This is Trader Bob signing off, and I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.